So guys, now you're looking at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. A set of new photos allegedly depicting the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 have been leaked online, getting our hands on what are possibly some of the first real-life photos of Samsung's upcoming phablet flagship is not all that surprising at this point, considering how close it is to launch. So the three photos leaked by user samsungmobile.news on /leaks shows off the Galaxy Note 9 from both the back and the front. So in one of the picture, the alleged Note 9 is showing with a broken screen, a crack running from the mid-lower portion of the screen all the way up to the top left corner. In the first pair of photos, we can see the back of the Note 9 in one of the pictures, as well as the about phone settings screen in the other. The model number shows in settings is SM960U, seems to be consistent with Samsung's model numbering scheme with the Note 8 because the Note 8 have the model number SM950. Other than that, the back of the device looks to be completely in line with the previous rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. A horizontal dual camera system, a fingerprint scanner beneath it. The two stickers on the back also look legitimate, with the first containing edited out IMEI number and a visible model number that's consistent with what is showing in the settings. Speaking of settings, the photos with the broken Galaxy Note 9 also shows an update that's being downloaded onto the device. If the Chinese written is to be believed, the update includes the August 1st Android security patch. It means it shows an update available for the device. So if we talk about the camera system, it will have a similar camera system like the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The Note 9 also get a variable aperture like the S9 Plus. Here you can see that the one camera lens is bigger than the other lens. It means one of the camera will get a variable aperture. So guys, what's your thoughts on these images? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.